Hey everyone, it's Elaine. I thought I'd pop in here for just a second and show you what I got today. I got a goodie. I got a goodie. Well, let me turn it this way. I got a goodie. Anyway, um, as many of you know, I'm part of a collaborative where we do our monthly goals. This is the second year that I've been in it, and um, I have to say it's probably more for me than it is for anybody else, kind of to keep me motivated and going and being intentional about what I do. So the hostess of it is Amalia, and her YouTube channel is Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia, and she's our hostess. Well, one day she had put up a video and she had a little drawing at the end of it, and it was if you had posted on one of her past videos. So I won. I'm not usually one that wins things, and sometimes I don't. Most of the time I don't try. I have so much stuff, but it's nice to actually win something. So I kind of know what it is that's in this box, but I thought I would share with you. And I was thinking these boxes had like a little ripcord somewhere on them, and that's what I'm looking for. Anyway, well, let me get it out of here for a sec. And let's just open it the best I can, and I'll show you. Like I said, this is going to be short and sweet. So, how's the weather where you all are? Where I am, it has been rainy, and one day it'll be 70, one day it'll be 30, and the next day it's somewhere in between. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Alrighty. Yep. And here we go. It is I'm getting there, everybody. She likes tape. It is an 8x8 photo album or album box kit. It's Valentine's themed and everything. It looks beautiful. So that is what I won. And guess she has written me a little note here. Let's see. I'm kind of all thumbs today. I've been at work all day just getting home, and it has been horrible weather here. So let's see. Some of her, she makes a lot of cards. She sends out a lot of cards. And here you go. Thank you thank you very much. And then she wrote me a little note inside. So there you go. And now let's see what this is. Oh, this is just filler. That's what it says, filler. All right. So anyway, thanks, Amalia. I just want to let you know that I got it. And everybody go check her out. She's like many of us trying to grow our channels and get noticed out there. So please subscribe to both of us. Give us a thumbs up. And come on back and see us. Y'all behave. Bye.